Ensuring your lawn gets enough water is an important part of having great-looking turf. But now what happens when temperatures rise, causing the grass to stress out? You might be tempted to substantially increase the amount of water you're putting on your grass, thinking that's the key to a deep green lawn. It's a good idea? Let's find out. Maintaining a green lawn when temperatures are mild, fairly easy. Apply a bit of fertilizer, mow your lawn frequently, and a couple times per week, put some water on your lawn. But now what happens when temperatures get really high like we have here in the middle of summer? Do you maintain the same twice per week watering schedule, or do you do something different? Like watering every day. To answer this question, I decided to run a little experiment on the front lawn where the watering schedule was changed from twice per week to daily. Now the front lawn is normally watered twice per week for 10 minutes at a time for a total run time of 20 minutes. I've now set the timer to run 5 minutes every day for a total run time of 35 minutes. This means the front lawn is getting 15 minutes more worth of water per week than it normally does. So what happened? Well, at first, things were going great. The lawn was all nice and green, but then after about a week, the lawn started to discolor and these reddish-brown patches started appearing all throughout the entire front lawn. This is a nasty and very aggressive fungus called pythium blight. Unfortunately, it's not uncommon for this fungus to appear when you combine high temperatures with excessive moisture. Pythium spreads most rapidly where water drains or settles. You can really see this in the front lawn, where the lower part is affected a lot more than the other parts, which makes sense since the water runs downhill and settles into this lower area. Now, if we compare the front lawn, which received daily watering, to the back lawn, which is only watered twice per week, you can really see the differences. While the back lawn is showing some signs of mild heat stress, there's no fungus present. We definitely can't say the same thing for the front lawn. Daily watering, even though it was for shorter periods of time, had a pretty negative result. So now that we're here, how do we fix it? I've got a 3-step process to help get this lawn back on track. The first should be pretty obvious, and that's to reduce watering. Excess water is what's helping to create the conditions that's allowing this fungus to spread. So we need to dial it back. The second is to apply fungicide at the higher rate. Today, we're gonna be applying Heritage G at the rate of 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Now, it's not gonna kill the pythium, but it's gonna help prevent the fungus from spreading any further. The third step is to apply a small amount of nitrogen to help the lawn recover that much faster. I'm going with Humic Max at the low rate of 0.5 pound per 1,000 square feet, which is plenty to get this lawn healing from this fungus damage. Within 7 to 10 days, the spread of the fungus should have stopped and the lawn should start recovering. A bonus tip is that if you're going to continue to mow the areas of your lawn that are infected by fungus, you want to make sure you clean the mower properly before mowing any other parts of your lawn. What I recommend is to simply mow areas like this last to reduce the chance of spreading fungus to any other areas. So our 2-week test has really shown that going to a daily watering program can actually introduce more problems than it solves. To help you come up with a watering program that's right for your lawn, I've got a video right here for you to watch next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.